Now let's learn an alternate way to install the Explore app on your Android TV devices. Insert your pen drive. Search for FX File Explorer on the Google Play Store. Then click on Install. Now open FX Explorer. Accept the license agreement and allow access to permissions. You can exit the tutorial. Select the media card. Click on the explore.apk file to install the application. On this pop-up, click on Settings and allow permissions for FX Player. Now, click on Install to download the Explore app. Click Open to start the app. Go back to the home screen and Explore app card will be visible. Enter login ID and password. Now enter the FCD code provided to you and allow permissions. You are now logged into the Explore app. Happy learning!